Hi, greetings and welcome. I'm John D. Richardson, brother of Dr. William Richardson, and together we were both inspired and honored to co-host perhaps the most popular health talk radio show that Atlanta, Georgia has ever seen on WCLK 91.9 FM, the Clark Atlanta University Jazz Station. I can't tell you how many people that I've seen in Atlanta over the years who have stated that they either greatly benefited from the show or healed themselves from the show just from listening to the show without ever coming into our office. This show, as you remember, was entitled Dr. Richardson on Call. Well, I'm here to tell you that backed by popular demand is the show. What we've done is take these shows and remaster the information and the show itself to take out all the errors and the breaks and the advertisements, all this kind of thing, and any other imperfection. Therefore, we have launched a new digital downloadable website, and it's entitled preventingandreversingdisease.com. That's, again, preventingandreversingdisease.com. That's the name of the website. And please take note that in addition to our past remastered radio shows, you will also be able to digitally download other health building tools onto your computer or your flash drive or smartphone or any kind of device that can record these shows, including, of course, the remastered radio shows we'll have, also videos, manuals, books, resources, lists, how-to instructions, and other information. And I trust that you understand that these are the same health building tools that we have used to empower patients to reverse and prevent their diseases and health challenges for the past 25 years in Dr. Richardson's medical practice. Again, this website address is preventingandreversingdisease.com. And I want to take a moment to commend President Barack Obama for getting health care to all the citizens of the United States. When the Bush administration was in control, there were 50 million uncovered citizens. And we also want to use this website to bring the liberating truth of preventive holistic medicine, of how diet and lifestyle and all these things can really give you control of your health. And that'll lessen the burden on President Obama and the healthcare crisis that we're in. So, the goal of this new website, preventingandreversingdisease.com, is to really give all the people, wherever they are, in this age of internet and cyberspace and accessibility to knowledge, the tools to save their life, reverse disease, and prevent disease. The goal of this new website, preventingandreversingdisease.com, is to empower the masses on how to regenerate and rejuvenate and heal themselves. The goal of this new website is for people to go beyond mere disease management, crisis intervention, and just suppressing symptoms. Now, just to remind you of what this radio show, Dr. Richardson on Call, was all about, and really what this website, preventingandreversingdisease.com, is all about, if you would indulge me a bit. On this radio show, Dr. Richardson, of course, was a resident expert and co-host, and being board certified in preventive medicine and a medical doctor for over 25 years in family medicine. And of course, I, John Richardson, was also co-host. I was also executive director, executive producer, writer, researcher of the show, as well as call screener, and whatever the heck else it took to make the show successful. And it helped that I had a corporate background and an MBA and engineering degree, and had that kind of mindset to amalgamate with Dr. Richardson so that we could make a successful, efficient show. Week after week, month after month, year after year, we encourage our listeners to take control of their health. We would meticulously explain that 86% of your health and well-being is totally dependent upon your diet and your lifestyle and in your environment. And only 14% of your health and well-being is due to medical care and genetics. Many of you remember of these statements we used to drop out each week. And you remember each week we would take in-depth stimulating looks at the major health issues and the ridiculous preventable disease epidemic illnesses that we were experiencing and still are experiencing in our community. What am I talking about? Heart and artery disease, breast cancer, prostate cancer, high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes. Have you seen all the dialysis clinics in our communities? My goodness. You got candida and yeast, you got immune system problems, autoimmune illnesses, you got depression, anxiety, ADD, all these kind of things. However, we also provided you with a plethora of solutions and tools of empowerment to prevent and reverse these illnesses and health challenges through, you remember, proper diet, lifestyle, vegetarianism, chelation therapy, cleansing and detoxification, exercise, proper rest, immune system enhancement, stress management, herbs and nutritional supplements, and many other life extension techniques. And literally, thousands of you called in the show to join in on our grassroots movement. And in fact, if you listen to enough of these shows, you'll probably hear yourself if you called into the show ever. And need I remind you that perhaps the most important part of this show is that we requested and encouraged and really demanded your participation. The role of myself and Dr. Richardson was to facilitate the listener in the how and why of making intelligent health choices and quality medical care. And most importantly, the how and why of making intelligent choices on how to employ disease reversal and prevention techniques. We certainly wanted you to know that health insurance does not ensure good health. And that medicines are poisons, hopefully with desirable side effects, that are to be used only temporarily. That's what they were meant for. And of course, our goal is to help you eliminate or minimize the use and need for medications, period. In closing, we feel that these remastered radio shows, videos, manuals, books, resources, how-to lists, and all the instructions and information that we're going to have available on this new website, preventingandreversingdisease.com, will assist you, empower you, enlighten you, inspire you, and motivate you to regenerate, rejuvenate, and heal yourself. Over the years, we have seen that many patients just needed correct diet, guidance in lifestyle, environment, these kind of things to greatly improve their health picture. So we highly encourage you to at least visit our brand new website, preventingandreversingdisease.com. Check it out. Download some of the radio shows, some of the videos, some of the manuals, some of the how-to lists, some of the other resources. And we also want to commend President Obama. He implemented in the entire country a program to cover all the citizens with health care. This effort that we're making is also a grassroots movement to make preventive holistic techniques available to all the citizens for hardly any cost at all. Just downloading some videos and audios and kind of thing at a very inexpensive price so that everybody can be empowered, because these are the things that you do for yourself that heal yourself. And by all means, please share this valuable website with everybody. It's a grassroots movement. Preventingandreversingdisease.com is the name of the website, and perhaps it will make a big difference in saving a life, preventing a disease, and even reversing a disease of someone that you know. For Dr. William Richardson, this is John Richardson, signing off, and I'll see you in cyberspace very soon. You be sure to take care.